And we are at the Knightsville annual festival. They have pony horse rides and hay rides and petting zoo. And Rylee is about to ride a horse or a pony for the first time. Are you excited? Really excited? Super excited, or not really?
Happy, excited, very, and 100 very excited.
Look at those boats. Look at them. The canvas has 2 ponies.
What?
No, you can't ride.
That's her reward for being a good girl. You gotta give her love. Jimmy, you wanna pet her? Good job.
Riley's getting on a horse.
That's her mother.
Ashton's here, getting on the other.
See you, Grandma. We seen the white horse, but Rylee was on it. Ash, it's on you, big guy.
Come on, big guy. She's talking to you.
Yeah.
Oh, God.
Be brave.
It's like the couch at home. There's his don't call
Yeah, you see him, brother?
There you go. You good?
Get away from his legs.
Atta boy. Here we go. Come on.
Just that little one?
Sit in the middle.
Sally, you're next. Come here.
She's a big high girl.
Another one.
No,
We'll do it again before we leave. Are you having fun, Ashton?
Yes, he's having a great time.
That's fine.
you want me to sit, guys? Here.
Where are you going?
Hey, Rod.
Hey, baby, take Logan for the ride.
Logan, come on.
Mama, you come.
No, I don't want to go.
You coming
Why?
for the ride, too? Logan, say hi to the camera.
Hey, Logan.
Hey, Rod.
Bye, Rylee. That's for those two.
Inside the pigs first, guys. Let's just go down the list.
You want to start with the pigs? You want to pet them?
Yeah.
Come on in. They're nice. They're easy. They're like dogs.
They're nice.
They're very nice.
There we go.
Are you afraid, Rylee?
The big one's cream puff and the little one's Wilbur.
Wilbur.
Oh, Wilbur.
He's a Rylee. Rylee.
You see? How was it, Ashton?
Decent.
How was it, Rylee?
She's okay. She's nice, baby. Just ask the lady. Say, may I come in? She's very nice.
Rylee, look at this.
Come on.
Need a picture, Rylee.
Okay, I want to get out.
Riley's trying to get out.
Let her open the door first.
How was it, Ashton?
Hey, y'all take a picture of Ashton. I want y'all to take a picture by one of the goats.
I'd like to go.
Logan, where are you going? Logan. Don't touch her. Do not touch her because your hands are dirty. Once you finish with the animals, then we'll put some sanitizer on.
Okay.
Go ahead with Rylee.
Don't be afraid.
Brian. I don't know if I want her in there. Oh, don't let him out.
They need to come out and play. They already have names for the one. But if you want to go? This is Pickles. This is Minnie. That gray one is Lady. And the one over there with the dapples, that's Bandit. He's the only boy, and these three are girls.
Boy.
Stay with the goats.
It's okay, guys.
Oh, I was about to say, what was that? Ashton, what type of face paint are you going to get?
I don't know.
Go ahead, guys. Rylee, don't close it on him.
Probably not. No, thank you. You want to pet him? He's super soft. He's just talking. That's all.
Does he bite?
You want to pet him?
Rylee, if you hold it, I'll give you $1.
That's a good deal. I wish I got $1.
Touch it. It's a gamecock. That's our team.
Yeah. There you go. That's right.
Rylee, you don't want that $1?
She wants to smell the chicken.
Rylee doesn't want the $1.
Out of here, you guys.
So scary.
Come on.
So little Miss Logan was afraid of the goats. Ashton and Rylee afraid of the chickens. They're supposed to get their face painted, but I think Ryan said he don't want them to get it. But we'll see. Rylee, I offered Rylee $1 to hold the chicken, but she declined. Rylee, you didn't want that $1? Rylee never turns down a proposition, but she did this time.
Can we go get a separate room?
And you guys said you're gonna, well, we have, how many? We got a good bit of tickets left now. So you're gonna ride the horse again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Now?
No, not right now. Let's go walk around and see what is what.
Let's go figure out how to get.
Well, I told Rylee she could get her face painted.
I'll tell you when you get I cannot say hot pot. Hot!
Oh,
I know what I want to get.
what? A kitty? What about you, Ashton?
Turtle.
No, you already had turtle before. Let's get something that you haven't had.
I want a tiger. Or you can get a bloody. Or you can.
The kitty?
Ashton's gonna get a unicorn.
What color do you want?
No.
Look again and make sure. Alright, go look again and make sure. I doubt it. Anytime anyone looks at him, he freaks out. Enough. Put him down.
This is gonna be messy to take off.
Just letting you know that was my cup. Oh,
Not even seeing it.
this is gonna be the really ticklish, annoying part. I'm gonna go right under your nose.
Rylee, let me see your face paint, Rylee.
Right? Look at me.
What are your thoughts? Oh, Rylee doesn't like you guys.
I promise. In the end. High fives. You're awesome.
Thank you. Let me see Ashton. What are your thoughts, Ashton? Ashton doesn't want me to share his activities with his classmates. Why? But I'm going to share it with his teacher anyways on Dojo.
So I gotta kill it. What is it? You don't like it?
Rylee, let me see your face, Rylee. Do you like it, Rylee? Ashton?
Ashton, get over here. Where you at?
Ashton, come here. Ashton, do you like your face painting?
Hold up. Give me the cup.